this is a must in every Indian kitchen. So these are the powdered spices, the one we use frequently. So we call it this dabba, spice dabba. Okay, and these are the other spices. So like this one is black pepper, powdered red chili, whole coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, black caraway seeds, mace, whole turmeric, powdered black pepper, green cardamom, black cardamom, dry bay leaf, star anise, fennel, cinnamon powder, cinnamon stick, black salt, and this is chaat masala, mango powder. This is hing. In English, it's asafoetida. And that's cumin powder. That's dry fenugreek powder, saffron, cloves, dry pomegranate seeds, and here I have turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin, and carom seeds. And I have mix of some masalas as well. So like curry powder, sambar masala, fish masala, butter chicken masala, meat masala, chicken biryani masala, pav bhaji masala, rajma, chana. So in total, so these over here I have 30, and over here it's 9, so 39.
So JD, you do have a kingdom of spices and curry. This just make my mouth water. I think someone in the group already put in a very big smile saying we are all having the crave for spices and curry now. Wow, that's all we have to say. So I love this spice box you have. It's just so beautiful. And now your score. So guys, the score from JD's Kitchen in Delhi is 39.
Yes.